Welcome to Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. It's great to be in the middle of town and out in the park. And just over there is a building where you can see stunning natural objects from all over the planet and the entire natural history of the world. It's Wales's very own Natural History Museum, and we're going to show you a bit about how it works. This building has been open for over 100 years. Every year we have more than 250,000 visitors. Have you had a look yet? On display we have showcases of Welsh habitats, animals and plants from every part of the globe, including some beautifully crafted wax models, some exquisite rocks and valuable minerals, and we tell the whole story of the evolution of Wales. And yes, we do have dinosaurs. Exhibitions are only a part of the work that we do. The objects you see on display are only the tip of an iceberg. Behind the scenes, we've got over 5 million more, and they're used in all kinds of research projects, events and activities. To find out more, we need to go behind the scenes.
Mae ein curaduron wrth ei bodd yn siarad am y gwaith sy'n digwydd tu ôl y llen yn y amgueddfa. Weithiau mae pobl yn dod i weld y casgliadau fel hyn. Dyma lle rydyn ni'n cadw yr specimenau sydd wedi eu cadw mewn alcohol, fel mwydod, cregyn, crancod, cymwchiaid, sermôr a'r mwy. Mae llawer o specimenau yn dod o ymchwil amgueddfa. Mae anghenfilod o traethiau Cymru gyda ni. Mae pob gwrthrych yn y amgueddfa yn dweud stori.
Insects are the most diverse animal group. For instance, there's over 250 species of bees in the UK, and only one of them actually makes honey. Also, they're very fiddly. Organising a scientific insect collection requires a lot of work and skill. Microscopes are essential, whether you're a student, a trainee, or an experienced entomologist. Thousands of new species of insects are still being discovered. At this museum, we have described hundreds over the years. The first specimens of each one are preserved and remain available to other scientists to study and borrow.
Like all scientists, we publish our results in international journals. The museum has published over 1,000 papers on its collections-based research.
A museum is the best place to compare one species with almost any other, and we have the most complete collection of Welsh flora and fauna in the world. We've used the collections to make several identification guides, which are used well beyond the museum. This, for example, is the go-to guide for British cockles, mussels and clams. We've even used them to produce guides for other countries whose biodiversity is less well known. We can also identify non-native species that have recently arrived in the UK and could become a threat.
Rhai o'n specimenau mwyau poblogaidd yw'r vertebratau, anifeiliaid gydag asgwrn cefn fel adar, mammaliaid ac ymlusgiaid. Mae llawer ohonyn nhw wedi cael eu benthyg gan amgueddfeydd arall, orielau ac ysgolion. Hefyd, mae gwyddonwyr yn defnyddio'r specimenau ar gyfer samplu DNA. Mae hyn yn helpu ni i ddysgu mwy am poblogaethau anifeiliaid ledled y byd. Mae llawer o'n specimenau wedi dod o zooau a pharciau anifeiliaid fel Bili y Morlo a Bryn y Teiger.
In Wales, we have 800 species of moss. We can collect mosses in Wales from sand dunes to mountains, and we dry them and we put them in packets. And with a little bit of water, we can rejuvenate these collections and study them and figure out what they are and tell us about what the environment was like where they were collected from. Our specimens help us look at how distributions of species change over time, and we collect these and we use our databases to map our collections and see these changes.
Diatoms are single-celled algae less than 0.5 millimeters long. The museum has a collection of more than 7,000 samples stored on glass slides. We are studying diatoms to monitor pollution and climate change in rivers and lakes.
This is the fossil of a little dinosaur called Dracoraptor. It was found by some amateur collectors and we were lucky enough to have it donated to us. Little Dracoraptor was one of the first carnivorous dinosaurs from Wales. The bones themselves are fairly well preserved and they have been three-dimensionally scanned so that the public can see those on our website and rotate them and look in each direction.
That's a quick look around, but this building is only the beginning. Our work takes us far and wide, from fieldwork in remote regions to installing exhibitions at other museums and a wide range of public events around Wales. We look forward to seeing you soon at Wales's Natural History Museum, and get in touch if you have any questions. Hwyl am y dro!